Okay, so we are talking about the Gurjara Pratihar dynasty. So गुर्जरा प्रतिहार डायनेस्टी जो है मिड एथ टू टेंथ सेंचुरी, तो थोड़ा दिमाग में लगा लीजिएगा। मिड एथ मतलब क्या होता है? 750, यस और नो? 750 एडी या सी आएगा? 750 एडी, जब एथ सेंचुरी बोल रहे हैं, हमने क्या बोला था? एक पहले हम चल रहे हैं। ड्यू टू स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम जीरो, ड्यू टू स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम जीरो हम जो है, जब हम एट्थ बोलते हैं तो ईयर वाइज 7 हो जाता है। 9 बोलते हैं ईयर वाइज 8 हो जाता है। 21 बोलते हैं ईयर वाइज 20 हो जाता है। तो उस चीज को याद रखिएगा। 750 एडी टू 10th सेंचुरी मतलब 900। सो ये बेसिकली 150, 170 साल का। ओके, 150, 170 साल का जो है पूरा था। And they are best known for their capital at Kannauj during their imperial phase. What is imperial phase? This is the phase when they were at their full show. They were at their full glory. Imperial means empire. Okay, zenith. Yes. And they played a central role in the tripartite struggles with the Palas and the Rashtrakutas over supremacy in the Gangetic plains. ओरिजिन्स और अर्ली हिस्ट्री की हम बात करते हैं, सो टर्म गुर्जरा प्रतिहार जो है, इट सजेस्ट अ लीनियज कनेक्टेड विद द गुर्जरा ग्रुप, जिसके नाम पे गुजरात रीजन का, जो प्रेजेंट डे मॉडर्न डे गुजरात है, दे गॉट देयर नेम फ्रॉम द गुर्जरा। ओके, सो दिस इज इन हिंदी वी से दिस इज ए स्थान वाचक शब्द। ऑलराइट, दिस हैज नथिंग टू डू with any kind of ethnic lineage. There is a Pratihar dynasty who comes from a place called Gurjara, which later morphed into Gujarat. Okay, and Pratihar का मतलब क्या होता है? Guardian. So what they were guardians of? What they were guardians of? Hmm? They were the guardians of the northwestern border. नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न बॉर्डर्स के ये गार्डियन थे। इनिशियल स्ट्रॉन्ग होल्ड्स, अर्ली सेंटर्स कहाँ कहाँ थे इनके? मारवाड़, जोधपुर, ग्वालियर। तो अभी जितने भी राजपूताना किंगडम्स हैं इन मॉडर्न डे राजस्थान, दे हैव देयर lineage, not lineage exactly, but they have their history starting from the Pratihars. Okay, you won't hear about the Rajputs in the early times. The Rajputras, जैसे राजपूत जो वर्ड है, राजपुत्रास, this word, although the people were there, but this particular word, it started around this time, that is the 7th century. प्रोमिनेंस आया 7th सेंचुरी में, आफ्टर द कोलैप्स ऑफ द गुप्तास एंड आफ्टर द कोलैप्स ऑफ द पुष्यभूतिस. We have talked about the Pushyabhutis. They were a clan of Rajputs called the Bais Rajput. Okay. So 7th century जो है, वहां से ये जो राजपुताना का कंसेप्ट है, राजपूत क्लैंस का कंसेप्ट है, इट स्टार्टेड टू गेन प्रोमिनेंस। एंड द वेरी इनिशियल, उसमें कौन से क्लैंस आ गए? प्रतिहारास. You will see a lot of, there is I think one very famous uh, very famous TVF guy, शिवांकित नाम है उसका, परिहार, his surname is परिहार। द वायरल फीवर के वीडियोस में आता है वो रवीश बन के। आई थिंक उसका नाम है शिवांकित सिंह परिहार। सो परिहार इज द प्रतिहार। ओके, परिहार आर द प्रतिहार मॉडर्न डे। जो परिहार राजपूत है, दिस दे ट्रेस देयर लीनिएज फ्रॉम द प्रतिहारास। सो अब यहां पर देखिएगा, दिस इज एट देयर जीनिथ। ओके, this is at their zenith, the extent of the Pratihar kingdom. Okay, so यहां पर अगर आप देखिएगा तो इनका इनिशियल जो है एरिया, was this area, that is the western area. Okay, but at their very top they had their area up till West Bengal. Okay, so this ये जो particular ये है, this was not there for a very long time. I told you this was for a few years. उसके बाद other kingdoms, other empires, they started to fight back and they started to push them. Okay, they started to push them. और किसके लिए fight होता था? It was for this Kanya Kubj, or which later came to be known as Kannauj. Okay, which later came to be known as Kannauj. Okay, अर्लीस्ट नोटेबल रूलर कौन था? नागभट्ट द फर्स्ट. कब आया था? 8th सेंचुरी में. एंड ही रिपेल्ड अरब इन्वेजन्स इन सिंध एंड एस्टैब्लिश्ड द डायनेस्टी. सो अरब इन्वेजन, प्रतिहार. प्रतिहार मीन्स डोर कीपर और गार्डियन ऑफ द डोर. डोर टू whom? डोर टू वेयर? Invasion to where? The Indian subcontinent or the Aryavart, as somebody has rightly said. So they said that we are the guardians. We are not allowing these Malechas to come and conquer, okay, our territory. And we will see later on that how different kingdoms, different Rajput clans, including the Chandels, how they were able from 7th to 11th century, they were able to continuously repel the invasions of the Islamic hordes from the northwest. Rise to power में नागभट्ट देखिए ध्यान से, यहाँ 730 to 756 8th century हमने बात की थी. And he consolidated his control over Avanti area, that is present day Malwa, and parts of Rajasthan. And he fought against the Arab forces from Sindh, and he gave the Pratihars their first substantial territorial base. Then Vatsraj came and he extended Pratihar influence, and he was the person who initiated the tripartite struggle for Kannauj. किसके साथ? With the Palas and the Rashtrakutas. Okay, with the Palas and the Rashtrakutas. फिर उसके बाद थे नागभट्ट the second, 805 to 833. Now we have come into the 9th century, and he recovered from the defeats at the hands of Rashtrakutas. मैंने बताया था आपको yesterday's class that it used to be like sometimes the Rashtrakutas used to have the upper hand, then the Palas used to have the upper hand, and then the Pratihars used to have the upper hand. So it was a match of the equals. No one power was lesser than the other. Okay, sometimes Kannauj used to be in the hands of the Rashtrakutas. The Rashtrakutas, they were, since they were from very deep south, they used to appoint a vassal at Kannauj. They don't used to rule directly. Then what used to happen? The Palas used to come. The Palas used to appoint somebody. बट कन्नौज जो है डायरेक्टली रूल करने में प्रतिहार्स का ज्यादा रोल रहा है. Both Palas and Rashtrakutas, they came and they were able to ransack the city, and then they were able to appoint their vassals. But what happened with the Pratihars was that they actually wanted to rule over the area. They don't want to appoint a vassal. They made it the seat of their empire. Okay, so Ganga Yamuna Doab, the control over the Ganga Yamuna Doab, which was a fertile plain which gave agricultural surplus, was something that was very dear to the Pratiharas. Okay. Then imperial height किस पे पहुंचे थे किस रूलर के समय? That was Mihir Bhoja. So Mihir Bhoj is the most important ruler. Please do remember he was in the mid to later part of 9th century. Okay, and he titles he had the Adi Varaha. It means the boar incarnation of Vishnu. विष्णु जी के दशावतार हैं, अगर आपको याद हो. दशावतार हैं, उसमें से आपके जो है वराहा, ऑलराइट, वराहा अवतार जो है, आपको पता है ना वराहा अवतार क्यों था? what was the reason that Varaha avatar took place? Can you tell me? You had the Kachap avatar, you had the Matsya avatar, and you had the Varaha avatar. So what was the whole? Okay, it was the third incarnation, and basically there was the demon Hiranyaksh who stole the bhumi or the earth, and he hid earth in the cosmic ocean. एंड उसके बाद ये विष्णु जी जो हैं, उन्होंने ही टुक द फॉर्म ऑफ वराहा, ही रेस्क्यूड द अर्थ ऑन हिज नोज एंड ही किल्ड दिस डीमन हिरण्याक्ष। ओके, अपने टस्क्स पे, अपने टस्क्स पे उसको उठाया, अर्थ को। और आदि वराहा क्या कह रहा है कि आई एम लाइक द बोर इन इनकारनेशन, आई विल डू व्हाट, आई विल राइज। ओके, जैसे उन्होंने विष्णु अवतार ने अर्थ को उठाया था, मैं प्रतिहार डायनेस्टी को उठाऊंगा। दिस इज व्हाट मिहिर भोज wanted, and it appears on coins and inscriptions, and he extended his dominion from parts of Gujarat to the Ganga Yamuna Doab, and he also fought with the Palas and the Rashtrakutas. Mahendra Pala was the successor of Mihir Bhoj, and during Mahendra Pala, the maximum extent that we see in the map was reached, and he went up to the borders of Bengal, and this was made possible due to the infighting among the Palas. देखिए ध्यान से, महेंद्र पाल नाम है इसका, महेंद्र पाल नाम है, लेकिन है ये प्रतिहार किंग। कीप दिस इन माइंड, his name is Mahendra Pal, but he is a Pratihar king. Okay, and he patronized Sanskrit scholarship, inscriptions, and he gave Brahmins land. Okay, kingship and titles. So the Pratihar rulers, they used Maharaja Dhiraj and Param Bhatraka. This is something which was used during, सबसे पहले कहाँ यूज हुआ था? गुप्ता में। तो अभी भी गुप्ता इन्फ्लुएंस was there. The last great empire जिसकी हमने बात की थी, and the last time Patliputra or Bihar played a prominent role in the polity of Indian subcontinent. Okay, and they are often portrayed as the protectors of dharma. Why? अरब इन्वेजन को रिपेल किया था। देखिए जितने भी बाकी लोग आए थे, you look at the Scythians, you look at the Hunas, you look at the Kushanas, you look at the Greco-Bactrian who tried to incurse into India, they wanted to get acceptance. What a major difference है। There is a major difference between the people who came before the Islamists and the people who came after the Islamists. So before the Islamists, when they came, what did they do? कैडफाइसिस से नाम वासुदेव कर लिया। Why? They wanted to be like Indians. Whereas when the Islamists came, they wanted to convert because they had ideology driving them. Whereas all the other Hunas, the Scythians, and the Greco-Bactrians and the Kushanas, they came here for the purpose of material gain and for ruling. Whereas ये जो बेसिकली ये जो आए थे, गजवा ए हिंद आपने सुना होगा। व्हाट इज गजवा ए हिंद? इट मीन्स जो हिंदुस्तान है, विच वॉज वेरी वेल नोन टू द अरेबियंस एट दैट टाइम, उनको इज माई वॉइस क्लियर टू एवरीबडी? यस, ओके, आई थिंक हाँ, एक बार आप इफ यू वांट यू कैन लीव द मीटिंग एंड देन ज्वाइन इफ इट इज परसिस्टेंट इशू। ओके, सो वहां पर क्या था कि ये आइडियोलॉजी से आए थे। दीज पीपल दे केम विद द माइंडसेट ऑफ आइडियोलॉजी दैट ओके आई वांट टू डू गजवा ए हिंद, दिस होल सब कॉन्टिनेंट और हिंदुस्तान। ओके, सब कॉन्टिनेंट और हिंदुस्तान जो है वो बेसिकली is to be converted to Islam. Okay, so this is the difference between these two. If they would have been like others, they would have come here, अपना नाम चेंज करते, हिंदुआइज नेम रखते, they would have Indianized themselves, Okay. Yes. So empire divided into bhuktis. Bhuktis are what? Provinces or Vishayas, district. Again, the Gupta. नाम भी इन्होंने रखा महाराजा धीराज परम भद्रका एंड भुक्तिज एंड विशाया. भुक्ति हु वाज द पर्सन? उपारिका. एंड विषयास और districts Vishaya Pati. Uparikas were like the chief ministers. Uparikas were like the chief minister. Am I clear now, Suryansh? I hope so. Then local chieftains, sometimes they retained autonomy if they acknowledge pratihara suzerainty. मतलब अभी जैसे कहीं है क्या? Does any country accept any other country's suzerainty? Canada, Australia, and New Zealand, they accept the suzerainty of the British Crown. Okay, it's ironic. It's very comical that Britain is a declining power, and it is Canada and Australia have overtaken Britain long back in having a good economy, but still they accept. Why? Because what is the reason? Canadians, majority of the Canadians and majority of the Australians, they are British descendants. Australia was a penal colony. Australia was what? It was a penal colony. Okay. Revenue and economy. So land revenue form the backbone of state finances, control over trade route, and it boosted commerce as well. So गुजरात का पोर्ट का जो कंट्रोल था राष्ट्रकूटास के पास, सॉरी प्रतिहारास के पास, that was very very lucrative. And we have seen this also somewhere else. कल की क्लास में कहा मैंने वल्लभी के बारे में बताया था. In yesterday's class I told you about वल्लभी. कौन थे? मैत्रकास थे क्या कोई? Were there मैत्रकास? So ये जो है, देखिए, ये जो है basically these people, they were in the Gujarat and Saurashtra region from the 5th to 8th century. Okay, from the 5th to 8th century they were in around this region. Okay, so इस चीज को ध्यान रखिएगा. एंड क्रोनोलॉजी में मात्रकास पहले आते हैं, देन कम द प्रतिहारस. कॉलोनी ये जो है आपकी, हाँ, क्या क्वेश्चन है? या सो द फॉर्मरली कॉलोनाइज्ड. यस. सो ऑस्ट्रेलिया और कनाडा में हुआ क्या था? देयर यूज्ड टू बी लिविंग सम इंडिजिनस पीपल, एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द लैंड जो है, it was vast, and it was basically there was no concept of property at that time. तो उन्होंने क्या किया? They started to come and they started to trade. What they used to do was they used to go to the chieftains and they used to give them some gold and some other things, and then they used to get a large parts of their land, and then they started to settle, and whosoever resisted were brutally killed. तो वो अलग चीज हो गया. Let us not go into that. यहां पर हम बात करते हैं, वापस आते हैं प्रतिहार डायनेस्टी में. सो देयर वर गिल्ड्स लाइक द गुप्ता पीरियड, श्रेणीज इन अर्बन सेंटर्स, and then there were military and warfare as well, which maintained large cavalry, elephants, and foot soldiers. Then you had the defensive forts in Gwalior, okay, modern day मध्य प्रदेश में ये आपको मिलेगा, and it gave strategic depth. Okay, it gave what? It gave strategic depth to the Pratiharas. Pratiharas are credited with the important development in the Nagar style of टेम्पल आर्किटेक्चर. ओके, सो नगर स्टाइल जो है, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नॉर्थ इंडियन जो स्टाइल है, मॉडर्न डे नॉर्थ इंडियन स्टाइल, दैट इज द नगर स्टाइल. ओके, नगर जो है या नगरा जिसको कहेंगे, दैट टेम्पल आर्किटेक्चर वाज इट फाउंड इट्स जेनेसिस ड्यूरिंग द प्रतिहार डायनेस्टी. नोटेबल एग्जाम्पल जो है, बेसिकली खजुराहो ग्रुप ऑफ टेम्पल जो अर्ली फेज था, अर्ली टाइम्स में जो खजुराहो था, वो प्रतिहार्स ने उसका थोड़ा बहुत एस्टैब्लिशमेंट कर दिया था, बट इट वाज मेड and it was expanded and it was taken to its full glory by the Chandels. Okay, by the Chandelas. And they constructed or renovated several Vaishnav and Shiva shrines, okay, across central and northern India. Images of Vishnu, which tells us that the Pratihars were Vaishnavites as Varaha, reflect the ruler's devotion and their claim as protector of the realm. Okay. उसके साथ साथ कन्नौज में बहुत सारे आर्टिस्ट्स को लिटरेचर जो लिखते थे उनको they basically gave patronage a lot of Sanskrit scholars. They were given patronage. एंड इनका जो है ट्रिपार्टाइट स्ट्रगल चलता था किसके साथ? पालाज और राष्ट्रकूतास के साथ. ओके, फ्रैगमेंटेशन कब स्टार्ट हुआ? लेट 9th टू अर्ली 10th सेंचुरी, जब महेंद्र पाला. ओके, देखिए मिहिर भोज was the zenith. Mahendra Pala was even better than that because now Bengal also Bengal also came under their control. But after that, और जो जो इनके सक्सेसर थे दे वर नॉट एज दैट इफेक्टिव. ओके, लोकल चीफ जो थे इनके फ्यूडेटरीज लाइक चंदेलाज इन बुंदेलखंड, परमार्स इन मालवा एंड चहमान्स इन राजस्थान. सो आपको याद होगा अभी जो है चौहान राजपूत जिनको कहते हैं, परमार राजपूत कहते हैं और चंदेल राजपूत जिनको कहते हैं. सो ऑल दीज पीपल दे स्टार्टेड टू रिबेल बिकॉज दीज वेयर फ्यूडेटरीज अंडर द प्रतिहार राजपूत्स. ओके. So by the 11th century, the dynasty had splintered into minor state. 11th century का मतलब क्या है? 1000 से 1100 के बीच में. ओके, ऑल राइट. नहीं नहीं, ये नहीं, ये ऐसी बात नहीं है. मैंने आपसे पूछा कि सुजरेंटी की बात मैंने बताया भी बिकॉज दे आर एंग्लोस. ओके, आई टोल्ड यू ऑल्सो they were Anglos themselves. That is why they have accepted that. ठीक है, ऑल राइट. चलिए, ये इसमें कोई डाउट है आपको? इसमें कोई डाउट है? एनी डाउट यू हैव इन द Pratiharas? Okay, so now we can move into